back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing some bob box braids. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing is first, you're gonna need your braiding here, and this is a free tress braid in the natural texture 1B color in 18 inches, and this is a 4-in-1 pack, the 4 mega pack. So I got like 3 packs, but I only used 2. You're also gonna be using rubber bands, rat tail comb, some Style Factor edge booster. Also gonna be needing a Cream of Nature edge controller, any other edge controller you guys have. Yeah, some hair accessories, a pair of scissors, and a mirror. So now I'm just gonna pre-section my hair, and this helps with the braiding process. It makes it a lot easier to work with. So now I'll be doing my first braid, and I'm just taking a piece of the braiding here, splitting it in 2 halves, then wrap 1 half around the other half, and then I'm gonna loop it through. Then I'm gonna grip my hair with one section of the braid, then I'm gonna start to braid the hair. So what I'll be doing is braiding the hair to the length that I feel comfortable, or to the length that I want my bob to start, and then I'm gonna add a rubber band to the end of that. Now I'm just gonna repeat those steps to the entire back section of my hair, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna do the front, or just a small amount of the front section in regular time, so you guys can see exactly how I grip my hair. And I know the braids look a little bit slack or loose, but I am not a fan of tight braids, so yeah. So when braiding the hair downwards, you want to make sure that you're not tugging on the hair, because this will result in breakage. So once I finish braiding the hair to the length where I want my bob to stop, I'm gonna repeat the same step and I'm gonna add a rubber band to the end of that. And you should have something looking like this. So I'm gonna repeat those steps all over my hair, and this is what it looks like. So after you have finished braiding your entire head, you're gonna go ahead and trim those ends off, and then you're gonna burn it. Burning the ends are optional, you guys. You can just trim it and leave it as it is, but this is what it looks like after I have trimmed it and burned the ends. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and I'm going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster, the best edge control ever. And I'm taking my edge brush and I'm gonna do my edges. So once I have finished doing my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and add my ear accessories to my hair. So with this hair accessory, I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the end of the braids where the rubber bands are, so it will cover the rubber bands and give it a beautiful looking bob. So by now I know you guys are enjoying the video. If you have reached this far, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on. So now I'm going in with my mousse, and I'm gonna tame those flyaways with my mousse. So this is the end result, you guys, and I'm in love with my hair, and I'm in love with how it turned out. This was amazing, and yeah, I'm in love with my hair. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos, and join the JT gang. So that is all for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!